Do you find yourself scrolling through the digital maze of advertisements? Well, here's your golden ticket to turn that ad time into cash. In this video, we're about to reveal an out-of-the-box opportunity that lets you pocket $60 by watching just 10 ads. It's just like turning your digital noise into your personal money-making symphony, whether you're a student, a parent, or anyone in need of extra cash. This method is your backstage pass to easy earnings. Stay tuned as we will unveil the secrets to making $60 in 10 ad clicks. Let's dive in and turn ads into dollars.
Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
The initial steps involves accessing either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, depending on your device's operating system. Look for and install the application called Paid Work. Once you've successfully installed Paid Work, tap the Open button to launch the app. The first order of business is to create your account. Click on registration. You have the option to either use your email or set a password or choose from other available sign-in methods. Once you've completed this step, sign into your account. Initially, your balance will display as 0, but we will guide you through the process of starting to earn money with this application. Now, navigate to the Earn section. Here, you'll find various ways to make money online. The method we'll focus on today is watching videos. You can explore other options such as playing games, completing surveys, online shopping, and micro tasks. It's important to note that these surveys are straightforward and don't require any specialized expertise. To start watching videos, click the Earn section and then select Watch Videos. Next, click the Watch button under Fiverr. By doing so, you can access videos that allow you to earn money on this platform. Take note that you must have downloaded their app on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store before you click the Start Watching Videos button. You'll be presented with an advertisement to watch. All you need to do is watch the ad for approximately 30 seconds. Afterward, you can click Skip and you'll earn points that can be converted into actual money. The more ads you watch, the more money you can accumulate. Notably, this app is open to individuals from all locations, making it accessible to a global audience. Your geographical location doesn't pose any limitations. Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, we are excited to share not just one, but 2 apps with you. The second one is our personal favorite because it's where we manage to earn the amount of money we will reveal shortly. Be sure to stick around until the end to catch all the details. Now, let us guide you through the process of withdrawing your earnings from this app. Start by going to the Settings section. From there, navigate to Billings. Under General Information, you can add your necessary details to ensure accurate billing. Simply click Make Changes, and it will take you to a page where you can input your name, last name, and payment details, including your zip code and address. And don't forget to select your country from the provided options, and you can opt to use US dollars as your currency. Once you have entered this information, save it. Now let's take a look at the payment threshold. To make a withdrawal, all you need to do is reach a minimum balance of $10 in your account. This $10 is quite achievable, especially if you explore additional income avenues such as playing games and completing surveys, rather than solely relying on watching ads. For those of you eager to reach that $10 milestone more swiftly, we have a special tip. Head to the Referral Program section. Here, you will notice an option to invite friends or people from the internet to join Paid Work. If the person you invite makes their first payout, both of you will receive a bonus of $10. This can significantly speed up your progress. All you need to do is copy your referral link from this section and begin inviting others to the app. Now let us transition to the next app, which happens happens to be our personal favorite. It's worth noting that this app is completely legitimate. If you visit the Play Store, you'll find that the majority of reviews are positive. Of course, you can always check the reviews yourself to see what others have to say about it. Let's move on to the next platform. You'll need to visit the website called grabpoints.com. It's worth noting that this platform is also completely free and open to users worldwide. On this site, you'll notice a banner that says, "Earn free cash and gift cards by taking surveys." However, as we mentioned earlier, we will be exploring how to make money by watching ads. To get started, sign up using your email and create a password. Then hit create an account. After that, you'll need to provide your personal information including your email, name, gender, date of birth, phone number, and address. Once you've completed these details, click on Save. You'll see an offer to earn 1,000 points for completing your demographics. Click on it, and it will take you to a page with a series of straightforward questions. These questions cover topics like your interests, hobbies, shopping preferences, financial habits, and more. Just click on a question, select your answer, and the next question will appear. Continue answering all the questions, and after completing them, scroll down and click the next page's questions. You will earn $1, which is equivalent to 1,000 points for this task. Now head back to the homepage by clicking on Earn. You'll find a variety of surveys to complete, each offering different payouts like over $1, 80 cents, $2, and more. You will also see offers where you can potentially earn even more, like $1 or $5. However, our focus today will be on money making by watching ads. Scroll down to the section that reads Offer Walls. Two specific offers, Lootably and Hideout TV, have a video feature that allows you to make money by watching video ads. Click on one of them and a page will open. Click on All to view the available offers. You can also select videos to watch video ads and earn money. Besides videos, there are opportunities to complete surveys, try apps, and quizzes. Some of these offers pay quite well. For instance, one offer can get you over 6,000 points, which equates to more than $6. Just click on the green box, complete the offer, and receive points that you can later convert into real money. It's a straightforward process. This website offers two primary ways to make money. If you click on the Earn tab and go to Surveys and Offers, you'll see all the available offers that you can complete right now to earn money. They have a variety of enticing offers, some of which pay very well. You'll also find a selection of surveys, and they update these consistently every day. And that's it for today. Please like this video if it meets your interests. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments section below.